everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my life wire, and I should have shot more on my A7RII with the Sigma 16mm lens. The reason I bought A7RII is because I wanted to fully utilize all the megapixels. But then again, if I put crop lens on the A7 III, for example, I would get very little megapixel out of still image. So the reason I got A7RII instead is that I can still use my crop lens and get decent still pictures. But since I got this camera, I haven't really shot any still images with this with A7RII because I just think that it doesn't make sense to shoot crop lens on A7RII. So in the end, I didn't use the crop lens on it that much anyway. So I guess I'm gonna make a little bit change. I'm gonna try to vlog and shoot more photos with crop lens on the A7RII just to try it out, see how I don't know. Because when I vlog with A6200, there's no in-body stabilization, so it's very shaky. So why not just use A7RII? There's in-body stabilization, and that's why one of the very important reason I got this camera. So yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog with this camera next time instead of A6200, and I'm gonna shoot only 1080p because I just realized that 1080p looks actually pretty good, especially when I use my 4K monitor. Because I have the 4K monitor, but I'm not using it in 4K mode. I'm using only 1080p mode because my cable just doesn't support 4K 60p. So basically, because I play StarCraft and all those stuff, I need everything to run smoothly. So I just had to give up the 4K and to opt for the smoothness and speed. So I only run 1080p. Anyway, actually 1080p doesn't look that bad, so it's gonna help me with my workflow. It's gonna make me feel more in control with my footage, so why not? We're gonna try it. Alright, next time I'm gonna shoot 1080p. We're gonna shoot with A7RII with a crop lens. That's the plan. Alright, that's the plan. Am I gonna stick to the plan? We'll see. But first, we need to find an opportunity to vlog. Like I don't really have. I don't know. Maybe this weekend I'll go somewhere. Who knows? And it's really heavy. Ooh, it's good for my body strength, my upper body strength. It's good exercise, right? I can also hold it on my left hand. Alright, that's it for today's not a vlog. This is the second one for today. I just uploaded another one before about my book reading. Right now I'm actually editing and exporting the video of Bolzano, the vlog in Bolzano. Yeah, that's it. See you next time.